Well, looks like she's on the bench pretty quick. It's a lot bigger than the other guys. You can see I'm
if it is a
looking
dip,
at
I
the
guess
video.
I'm joking about
Listen to that noise.
checking them first.
It'll be at the end of this video.
Alright, I don't want to break it anymore. I'll take it apart tonight.
Let's see what we got going on in here.
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Maybe you'll take it apart and it'll just be something in the wheel.
Yeah, there's a good chance. I hope so. I hope it's nothing wrong with it.
As I said in that video, I hope there's nothing wrong with it. Definitely sounds... Oh, look at that. It just spins. I think the diff is shot. All right. That's rule number 1 that I didn't follow. Listening to all the other YouTubers, they said, make sure you check the diff oil first thing. If it turns out that's what it is, that's pretty shitty. Well, I just took the diff case off, and you can see what happened there. These teeth completely ground, so either she landed on throttle and it went nuts, or these are shitty teeth, which is more likely the contrary. So it wasn't the diff, luckily, but that's still kind of, that sucks. I'll see if I got something that I can work with to make this whole again until the part comes in, but that's, you can see right in there, that just shredded the teeth. None of the teeth on here are bad at all, but that's not good. Buyer beware. I don't know if that's a manufacturing defect or if, I don't know. She didn't drive it enough to, I mean, she literally hit the jump twice, and the jump isn't very long. So anyways, you'll see the footage of the actual jump, but after that, I don't know. I was gonna give a really good review up until that point. I do love all of the metals on there. Everything else seems okay. But if that's a point of failure, it's a point of failure. So we'll see. I'll get an upgraded version and see if it happens again. I like that it's a full-size servo. I don't like that it's a 5-pin instead of a 3. ESC looks beefy. Motor looks good. Looks like it's the same one that's on the WLs. She had good speed. A little disappointing though. Yeah. Well, time to look for some parts. I might be back with a recap, see if it's a normal issue. I don't know. I didn't have to take the arms off. I did figure out that is a nice thing of this design. You just take the 2 bottom screws and the 2 top ones, and that whole back diff case comes off. So again, I took off more not knowing than I had to, but I don't know. Everything else looks great on this thing. I'm just disappointed with that first run. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Got them just about charged up. Time to go rip. All right, so we're putting doing our first run, first time plugging a battery in. We got the batteries charged up. There's the WL. Controller's on. Give her a rip. Awesome. You notice we got the black wing. We immediately went to our optional wing. But we'll do a speed run on this, and maybe we'll bash her first, or not bash her, but do a little side video of that later. All right. Give her a quick rip around here first, and then we'll go over there. Okay, just do a little quick one. Ooh.
It controls pretty well.
Yeah. You digging it?
Yeah.
It's quiet. I'm surprised how quiet it is for a brushed. Ooh.
You can't even hear it with this.
I know, that's not bad.
It's not that fast, but
Yeah, but this is a brush version. This is a slow version, so
it's fast enough.
yeah. We'll get the timer on it in a second. We'll stand. This should be a good enough squirt between here to there. Get her maxed out. We get set up. See, they're all zeroed. All right. Give her one more whirl. I guess it is fast. It's just so much bigger that it seems slower. Whoa! So you like it, Lauren? Does it control real good? We'll after we're done here, we'll get it on the jump at home. Whoa. Doesn't seem to mind the grass at all. All right, let's check her. $17 average. 27, that sounds more like it. I don't know what that first one was. Maybe it was away here. That sounds more like it. So 27 miles an hour. That's not bad for stock. Well, minus the wing. Oh, and these body clips. They only gave us one, and the one that was on it was broken. So these are some Eachine ones. I like them. And they always give you extras. So I dig it. Oh, wait. Yeah. Beautiful. 27 miles an hour, almost 28. That's good. Definitely more stable. It's different than our little 114s. That's the stuff in the box. So she took it off about 2 jumps and started making noises. Give her a whirl. So we'll have to take that apart tonight, see what's going on with it. Yeah, I know. It's only this little jump there. We'll give her a couple whirl. That don't sound good. Just hit the jump once. If it is a diff, I guess they're not joking about checking them first. All right, I don't want to break it anymore. I'll take it apart tonight. Jeez.
I barely even did.
I know. Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Maybe you'll take it apart and it'll just be something in the wheel or something.
Yeah, there's a good chance. I hope so. Hope it's nothing wrong with it.